Morning, everybody. God dang it. I was in this trade, and this what was delaying me to freaking start the video. And finally, I just put it at even. It knocked me out. Of course, it went. Ah, there it is right there, man. Come on, man. God dang it. I had that freaking trade. But I freaking closed it out. I was late getting the freaking stream started. Real late. Holy shit, I'm late. God dang it. I was waiting for this setup from this candle to finally this candle. God dang it. What a pisser. What a freaking pisser. God dang it. I don't know that it would have gotten to my target yet. My target was down here, I think. Yeah, it'll go to target. Won't you? Won't you? You'll go to target now. Now that, because I'm not in it. I mean, it just hung out. I don't know if anybody took this trade, but it just hung out up here for so freaking long. And then finally went. Ah. Frustrating. Frustrating. Come on, NQ. God dang. Frustrating. Morning, everybody. God dang it. So frustrating. All right, so we got news at 10 o'clock. I guess. Did you make money on it, Peyton? Because pay to play. I'm sorry, pay to play. Did you make money on it? Because this dumbass didn't. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to migrate back to NQ until gold gets its head out of its ass. Oh, fart. That was going to be my one good trade of the day, and I could be done. Damn it. I actually hit a good gold trade yesterday afternoon, and I ended up for the day up $1,470 or something like that. Somewhere around there. Just under $1,500. But today I am let's see here, where am I? I am down $5.70 for commissions, or 76 cents. $5.76 from the commissions on this freaking trade right here. Okay. All right. Yeah. Well, it's obviously gonna roll down. I mean, it just was being way too slack in the process. I was not happy about that. Oh, shoot. Seems like I'm missing something. I don't even have my ATM on in gold. Gold is just sloppy today. Sloppy garbage. All right. When's this news? Isn't their news at 10? It's not really big news. Just job openings, delayed report. I mean, it's not big news. So the YM and the RTY are sitting on the prior day high at the same time. Is that seriously true? Oh, man. All right, I might have to take this long. I might have to take this long. I might have to take the YM version long. That means you guys should take the RTY version. If I take the YM version, you should take the RTY version. You should know that by now. Yeah. I can't, David. I'd be lying if I told you I took that trade. I don't remember the trade I took. Seriously, I don't even remember the trade I took in gold. I just remember my total at the end of the day. I don't even remember what time I took the trade. It was after 1 o'clock for sure, but I don't remember anything about the trade. All right, so now I'm in trouble here because the RTY has completely gone down here. Well, wait a second. Maybe the RTY will find support at the 5 minute red line. Maybe I shouldn't bail so quick. Yeah, if we get a let me stay with this for just a second. Let me shrink these up together. uh Flush in what, JC? Because there's a lot of things flushing right now. There's a lot of things flushing right now. Now there's news at 10. It's pretty freaking insignificant news. It's a delayed bullshit government report of made up numbers called job openings. All right, well, I'm going to kill this. I am going to kill this. Guess I'm going to wait now. Fuck. Hmm. 30 points. Wow. Okay, a micro. Gotcha. Yeah. Uh, Look at that NQ trade. I am such a freaking doofus. I am such a doofus. Such a doofus. God dang. Come on, Bob. Such a doofus. I mean, part of the lack of commitment, somebody mentioned it earlier, is that like the ES was on the opposite side of the prior day open. It was trying to get through. Like there wasn't any commitment with the ES to the NQ. Now they're totally committed with each other now. There's 10 o'clock news. We had a little spiky spike. So there was a little reaction to the lies and fairy tales. The person that comes up with that number has a dartboard and just goes, ching, there's our number for the week. I'm taking the rest of the week off now. There we go. let's see here. Man, ES is just rolling over. So's the NQ. God dang. Are we going anywhere? All right, we might get to the prior day open. I might need to look at this. Yeah, I might need to look at this in the NQ. That's insane. That this 1 minute gold line. That's a lot of energy for a 1 minute gold line right there. Jesus. That is a lot of energy. Okay, let me put this out of the way for a second. There's gold looking like garbage. Gold had a beautiful long, by the way, off the prior day high here at 6:30 in the morning, 6:25, something like that. Let me get this out of the way so I can look at this. All right, come on. Come on, NQ, just run. Run to target. Run down there to 30. Of course you're not going to get there. God dang it. Oh. All right, come on. Come on, roll over. Roll over and go. 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 Come on. Come on. How far do you have to go here? I'm in the ES version right here. I don't have the nerve to take this. The ES version was much better. It was the first time. It was the first time crossover of the 1 minute gold line. But I don't know how much I'm going to get out of it. The NQ's got it reaches to that prior day open. That's when I'll be looking to close out this ES. Come on, NQ, go down. Go down, NQ. Go. Go ES. Go ES. Go ES. Go ES. Go. 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 There you go. Oh my God. Seriously, come on, NQ, move. Why are we sitting here? Oh my God, come on. Yeah. You're correct. Whoever wrote the W on the YM, which could get right back to the prior day high. Right back to the prior day high. Shit, I'm not showing that chart. Sorry. So you had a leg down, leg up, leg back down. Boom, there's your long. If anybody's took that, I mean, gonna have to get through this area, which is going to be tough. But I mean, it blew right through it getting there. How much money did I make in that NQ? That ES trade? No way. Holy shit. That can't be right. That is right. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I did. I did bank. I banked a lot more than I thought I would. Looks like GC starting to move here. Maybe I need to pay attention over here. We are starting to move. So when GC starts to move, I need to start paying attention. No, not 870, but you need to be careful. You don't want to go over $1,000, that's for sure. You need to just not trade. Okay, Kevin? Just you're good up to like I'll tell you what you're good up to. You're good up to like $900. Then you got to make more than $3,000 to get a payout. To get your payout. So don't trade it anymore. But congratulations. Congratulations. But don't trade it anymore. Man, RTY did it. God dang, what a beautiful look at the RTY here. I mean, again, it's all congested, so I don't like it. But we crossed over the prior day high, had an inside candle right here, and then the short. I mean, damn, that's beautiful. Inside candle. This was an inside candle right here. If anybody saw that, I mean, if you're just focusing on one instrument, you should not have missed this scenario right here. Boom, boom, and then boom. You should not miss that if you're focusing on one instrument. You just passed your eval? Good job. All right. Nadine, did you get that RTY trade, or did I speak? Ahead of, because you should, that was the best trade of the day right there in the RTY. The crossover retest the prior day high, consolidation candle next to it, then bam, gone. That was the best trade of the day in RTY, without a doubt. You got that one? Yeah, that's a great trade right there. Geez, the inside candle is like a gift. It's like a gift from the trading gods. If you're fortunate enough to get one of those before your rotation, man, that's a gift from the trading gods. Why is my strategy not on here? I have no idea. Yeah, I mean, if you get the inside candle, it's literally, that is a gift from the trading gods. It literally is. This one just went through the bottom here. This one just went through the bottom. Now roll up. Now roll up. Now roll up. We had an inside candle here. We went through the bottom of it. Now I need to run right through the top of it. Come on. Go, 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 go. Come on, gold. Come on. Oh my God. Fuck. Well, there goes some of my ES money. There goes some of my ES money. What the hell did I just do here? Oh, Jesus, come on. What's going on here? Sorry. Man, those swings in gold are just so big right now. What? Shit. I waited for that and it just did it? Oh my God. Did anybody get this? Yeah, the NQ just fucking, goddamn. I've been screwed by the NQ twice today. Twice today. I've been my own fault here. This one was I signed on to the freaking stream late. I was waiting as these candles came up, and I'm like sitting there going, okay. And then all of a sudden I realized, man, I hadn't even started the stream. So I put my thing at even, boom, got knocked out. What did it do? Just collapsed. I've gotten hammered by NQ twice today. Give me a W. Come back down here. Come back down to here. Come back down to like here. Come on, NQ. Come back down a little bit. Come back down. Come back down. Come on. Come down. Come down. Shit. Yeah, come down. Come down. Do that. Come down. There you go. Come down. Come down some more. Come down and give me a little W. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Man, I'm asking it to go through that pivot to my left. Long. Come on. See this pivot way up here? Got to get through that. Holy shit. Come on. Come on. Come on, NQ. Come on. You got it. Everybody's cheering for you, especially me. Especially me. Come on, NQ. Don't come back here. Don't come back here. Run away. Run away. Come on. Don't come back here, damn it. Come on. Now rotate up, damn it. Cleaning out stops. I'm fine with that because you didn't get mine. There you go. Now let's go. Now let's go. Come on. You freaking dog. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. What a dog. What a dog. This was the big pivot I was going to have to break right here. I was paying attention to this one. Then I looked over and went, oh shit, there's a bigger one above me. That's when I started getting nervous. I went, oh shit, there's a bigger pivot above me. All right, so the RTY is showing a rotation potential to the downside, but the problem is the YM. Let's get back to that scenario again. The YM is doing the opposite. It's fighting to go long. Well, the 21 happens to be, hello. That's the reason I use the 21 in the 5-minute red line, because that is the 21. But it's in the 5-minute candles, which is where bigger money is. I'm not worried about 5-minute. I'm not worried about 21s in 1-minute candles, because that 9 is stronger than that 21 in a 1-minute candle. So I'm more concerned with that 9 EMA than I am the 21 on a 1-minute candle. I mean, I could spaghetti my charts up and it will just look like shit, and everybody will freeze about taking a trade. But regardless, the most powerful line on that chart was that prior day open of anything going on here. And that's what I was really trading. I was trading the prior day open. Now what we're going to have to get, I guess, is some space and get it to pull up and test the prior day open from the bottom, hopefully, and roll over. Man, that RTY did roll over. We're stuck in a quagmire here with the YM, which is kind of why I'm not really paying attention to the RTY right now, because they're both getting beaten up back and forth. And when you get in the afternoon, Patch, you get in the afternoon, man, you pay attention to that 5-minute red line, man. And it literally is a game changer. In the afternoon, it's really a game changer. Again, you can't have consolidation. The market's got to be rotating. But I mean, that 21 SMA on a 5-minute candle in the afternoon, that's a game changer. Man, that RTY is rotating up again. So I need the YM to get up here and start moving, so we can start paying attention to the RTY. Where did my oh shit, did I crash it? Did I crash my strategy? I guess I did. Yeah, I did. I crashed my strategy when I closed out my trade. Sorry. Well, that's when it works best, Patch. That's when that man. There was one in gold. There was one in gold last week. That price rotate. It was gold was down, and price rotated up in the afternoon. Came across, hit that 5-minute red line on its rotation, and from that spot that it hit that red line, it went up $100 in the next like 10 minutes. From that spot, $100, which is 10 grand a contract. From that spot. And it rotated all the way to that spot for like 2 hours. And it was pulling the head of that red line up from being down all day. And when that red line got its head pulled up, price came and seeked that red line, and then it rotated up for $100. I mean, it was like, holy shit. And the NQ too. Boy, that red line in the afternoon with the NQ. it's a game changer. That's a tough question about the box lines. It's more. It's one of those things. The box lines is one of those things where you've got to use it for a while, and not necessarily even trade it. Just observe it, and then start figuring out the personality of those lines compared to when price does this and it does this, or when price does this or it does this. But if I have a static line inside the box, then I'm less interested in the box lines at all, other than testing of the top of the box or testing of the bottom of the box that have nothing to do with the static line that's inside the box. Because the static line still screws up, or is very powerful. I hate to try to defy it. All right, we got God, I don't even know what instrument on. We got the RTY. Where is it? Well, in gold, NQ's doing the same thing. So we crossed over and we're retesting the prior day open right now. We did the same thing here, prior day high in YM. And the RTY is trying to go long. So I'm kind of looking at this trade right here, along in the YM off the prior day high. But the NQ rebounded, came back, and is sitting up here. So I'm going to look at this too. All right, there we go. There we go. Run, baby, run. Run, baby, run. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Why is the RTY just sitting still? I don't know. I'm going to defend the bottom of that candle. I want to look at the NQ possibly going long. Come on. Come on. Come on, YM. Oh, Jesus. It's just, I'm going to be pissed if I should have defended the pivot. I'm going to be pissed. Pattern wise, that should go long. Kind of like this. Just like this. See off the rejection of the prior day open. Now, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Break this pivot right here. This is the pivot we want to break right here. Come on, RT1. Come on, NQ. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Break this pivot right here to my left. Let's go. Wow, man, the market is just so slow. Move. Why are we so lethargic today? I don't know. Why are we so lethargic today? That's what I did, Jim. And it's lethargic, man. It just won't move. It went up 20 points like that. I mean, I got in, it was up 20 points like that, and then just dead. Just dead. Well, that may be true, Ryan, but then the test here should have gone short instead of rolling all the way up here. That $700 is great. Where the fuck is my chart? I'm losing my stuff here. Okay, inside candle. Inside candle. Come on, go. Go, RTY. Go. Go. Dang. Come on, RTY. Come on. Come on. Okay. Oh my God. Just nothing will follow through, man. Nothing will follow through. Long off the prior day high, and it's just sitting there. Oh, let me get my coffee cup. It'll probably go up there to my target, but I mean, like I don't want to take a trip that is like riding a camel. Come on, move. Well, I keep getting in. I'm getting in on the right side. I mean, the two NQ trades I took, I mean, wham, 20 points in my favor the moment I get in, but then they roll back over and call it a day. Let me look at the NQ. Yeah. Well, I tried it from here, Jim, and it didn't work. Looks like it may have done another one here. See, I tried that one right there, where it crossed and then sat and then boom. It's just very lethargic. I mean, everything's just very lethargic. If you drink an American beer, it is horse piss. Oh my God. I'm killing that idea. Tell us your best joke, huh? Yeah. I don't know. uh, you talking that red line, Jim? I wish it would fall. Just sitting there. Come on. Come on, Gold. Go. Go, NQ. I mean, go. Go, GC. What am I saying, NQ? The NQ can't decide if it wants to be above or below the priority open. So I am done dealing with that indecision. Look at that. Look at the NQ. Sure, now you're going to roll up. Oh, yeah. Look at the YM off the overnight open. Good call. I didn't even recognize that. Excellent call. Excellent call. He's talking about this one right here. That rotation right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what it looks like. Tea time. It's exactly what it looks like. Just to piss us off. Just to piss us off. All right. Jesus. I know. I got my money back in it, Jim. I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. Look at that YM go. Should go all the way to at least the prior day high. There it goes. Yeah, look at the YM. That YM trade was beautiful. Whoever took that one. Whoever took that YM one, man, that was a good setup. Holy cow. There it is, right there. Boom, pam, boom. Right to target. Right to target. Beautiful. Yeah, notice that YM closed right out at the target. See that? Target to target. Spot to spot. You shouldn't be surprised that that's where it ended. See you tomorrow, Nadine. Oh, yeah. I'm just struggling here. I broke one of my rules and I tried one of these 1 minute gold line trades in gold after it already did it once. I took this one with Jim right here. And then I thought, well, I'll take another one. And I'm still in it, but it's struggling. Come on, go. But I took this one right here. Bam, bam, bam. For about, that 10 points. Oh, Jesus, what happened? What happened? Oh, shit. I had Jesus. Yeah. I can't even read my chart, man. Oh, I'm only up $311. I've had some knockouts. I'm up $311. Yeah. Yeah, it has been a lot of work. And here's the thing. It's like I've said before. Last week when gold was just ping, 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 printing money, I said, don't get too used to that. Don't get too used to that, because that's not normal. This is a lot of what normal looks like right here. Unfortunately, this is a very lackluster Tuesday. There's a couple good setups that happened in the RTY and in the YM today. I will admit that. I had a beautiful trade in NQ earlier today, and I realized I was late signing in. I mean, I should have made $1,000 on that trade, because that's what my target was, $1,000, and it went right down to it after I started the damn stream. So I should have had $1,000, but I'm all right. I mean, shit, I'm up like 1,800 hours for the week, so I'm good. I mean, beggars can't be choosers. Some days things just don't roll your way, and that's why when you do get in a trade, I can't emphasize this enough. You got to get a big target. Don't just look for don't be looking for the singles, because the singles are going to keep you at best a break-even trader in the long run if you just keep hitting singles. Yeah, GC's gone. Of course it's gone, because it knocked me out. Treeman, that's exactly why gold is moving. It had to knock me out first. Let's go back and look exactly what gold did. Okay. That's why, it's getting into that dirty dog stuff of NQ. So here's your long, right? Right here's your entry. Let's spend a moment here looking at this. Here's your entry right here, 52.1. Where'd this candle roll back to? 52.2. I mean, they intentionally took this, came down, cleaned the stops out, and reversed it. I mean, and that's exactly what happened to me. Clean me out. Intentionally. All that's, you can see it right there. Intentional. It's wild. I mean, it is wild when it happens. I mean, it is wild. because then that candle reversed up to 62 from 52. It reversed $1,000 on an actual full contract. $1,000. It reversed $1,000. $1,000. It reversed $1,000. Let that sink in slowly. Reversed $1,000. That's insane. That is just totally insane. Okay, so RTY looks like it's getting ready to test the prior day high again, maybe the red line at the same time. Yeah, gold freaking reaches down, fingers its way down, and then reverses up $1,000 in one candle. That's that's great. That's crazy stuff, man. Yeah. Well, the YM is trying to go short because it's been knocked down twice by the prior day high. So what we might get lucky is if the RTY catches a good long here, that may be the, remember, 1, 2, third attempt. It may run up through the highs. Remember how we go 1, 2, 3? The problem is while it's doing that battle to go through, it's going to be probably hanging up this damn RTY at the same time. No, there's no more 1 minute gold lines in GC. I mean, there's like 5 reasons why. Do you need me to give you the most obvious? I mean, I don't want you to think that that's a 1 minute gold line. See this? When this candle went here and then this one cleared the top of it, that's it. That's it. No mas. No trade. No trade ever. I don't give a shit if it's the first time it's coming to the gold line. No mas. That's what smooth pullback means. It has to be consistent. Just like the one Jim took and I took. This one right here. Has to be consistent. Boom. Has to be consistent. Boom. And it's after 10:30. That's another. Yeah, that adds to it. Plus, it's at least the third attempt. I mean, you know, and then just happens to be, if you look at this, and Jim, somebody asked this question earlier, happens to be the top of the box that rejected it. So that's never good either. Now the mid band may hold it and push it back up. That's a very possible thing right here. The mid band of the box. That box is still in play. If you can't tell, look at this. How did price rotate out in empty space? Because it was the top of the box. And we went from one side of the box to the other side and they rejected it. Man, that mid band in gold is going to work, isn't it? You dirty dog. Are you going to hold? Just might. Yes, high and low, and then the mid band is calculated based on the average. Well, keep in mind the likelihood of it being rejected is if you see it rotate into the box on one side and then it goes to the other side. So, because there's traders, let me point this out. There are traders, and I mean a lot of traders, that wait for price to rotate inside the box, and they'll trade it from here, and this is their target. That's their target, is the other side. and then they'll get back in and take it off the mid band right out of the box. And this is what it should do. But gold has such big swings in it right now. I don't have the heart of a lion to take it, because it's going to be sloppy when it does it. It's not going to be as smooth as this rotation that Jim and I took right here. It's going to be sloppy. But the objective now, once they go from here, because they're trying to now go to the other side, is this is where they sell off, and this is where they buy back in. It's a way to trade gold, for example, when the market's in consolidation, because it gives you more points of interest of rotation. If the market's not in consolidation, the box is way up here or way the hell down there, and we have nothing to do with it. But, we're in a consolidating day, so it gives rotations that are, they're not as clear as this stuff, but the intent is what I just said. Just like here, when they brought it inside the box, see how they brought it inside the box? They went from here to here and then sold it back, and then now they brought it inside the box, and then they're going the other way. And there it goes. And I should have traded this. Obviously, it's after the fact, but I should have traded it with micros. It would have given me the confidence to hold it. But that's why I say if you put the 5-minute or the 15-minute box on your chart in gold, also oil, if American Patriot's in here, but you watch what they do, it's just like all the other trades that I've taught you guys. It's just repetitive. I was telling you here when they were running this down, they're going to take it off that mid band and bring it out the top of the box. Because you see it so much, you know what they're doing. You guys may remember last week.
Unknown caller.
last week, Jim was in a long off the mid band, but his target was outside the box. And I said, it's got to get out. I don't know that's going to get out of the box because it had crossed over, came in. He took the long off the mid band, and it literally stopped at the top of the box and rolled all the way back, and he made nothing. And he had 5 contracts on that trade. Dude, you got to respect that box. You got to respect the top of the box when they're taking you from one side to the other, because that's where they're going to, that's where the swing traders are going to exit their trades, because they got to their target. Yeah, YM is a shit show, by the way. It is. YM is just complete spaghetti. Come on, go out the box. Go out the box. Come on. Come on. You just did it. Now let's go. Let's go. There you go. See, that's easy. It's just that easy. Once you know what they're doing, it's just that easy. Once you know what they're doing, it's just that easy. Once they stuck this finger back in the box, and this was the inside candle here, I just took it out the other side. Boom, that's it. Granted, I should have made a lot more money. I get that. But I mean, if you know what they're doing, you can make money by watching it. Good job, David. So that's why I leave that box on this chart. That's why I leave this box on my gold chart. Because every once in a while it hands you a gift. A gift that keeps on giving. I know. I can't. I had the wrong ATM on this one. I'm pissed now. I had the wrong ATM on it. It cut me short. Anyways, it's like free money, as long as you recognize what they're doing. One, two, three. We talk about 1, 2, 3 all the time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm with you there, David. All right, well, that's it. That's about all I see right now. But yeah, I suggest you get this box and you pay attention to it. And then like I said, it'll give you I got the wrong freaking ATM on here. I seriously should have made more money than that. I didn't realize I had the wrong ATM in this chart. Matter of fact, I might even have this on the wrong setting. But anyways, that's it. That's why I have those lines on that box. I mean, the real trade is from here, knowing it's going out the top. I mean, from here to here is $2,000. Anyways, that's it. I'm going to let you guys go so I can get some work done, man. I have got some work to do. Man. Lots of houses to build. Add this into my description. Is you talking about the 15-minute opening range, John? Is that what you're talking about? Because that's not an indicator. That's a tool that, you know, is not a ninja. Okay, yeah, but that's a tool that's not a ninja. I mean, if you want that tool, you can email me and I can send it to you. I think quite a few people in here have gotten it from me. So just my email is in the description if you want it. Just put it in the title or something so I know that that's what you want, and I'll send you the script for it. But I only use this chart on commodities. It works in ES and NQ and RTY, but I just don't have the time to stare at it in the equities. But it's very helpful in gold and in oil. And as a matter of fact, the person that taught me this at the time used to use it in oil only. And that's what he'd do. He'd trade this thing after oil opened for an hour or whatever, and then he'd be done. That's it. Okay. All right. Well, then, yeah, just email me and I'll attach it, the script, and send it to you. All right. Everybody have a good day. Don't forget to like the video. That would be nice. Don't forget to like the video on your way out the door.